Hey guys, it's Mike from Image Wash Products, and today I'm really excited to show you our 4-step soap box system. This is what we recommend to people that are really trying to up their game for their truck washing. If you happen to be using, something standard like this, either a bucket and brush or using foam cannons for your soaping or your 2-stepping or anything like that, then this video is specifically for you. Since time is money, you always want to get equipment that'll allow you to move as fast as possible and also not waste your soap. Can't tell you how many times I've seen employees just doing the old glug trick when it comes to soap. This is something that completely alleviates that. 4-step box. This is something that we custom build to work with your pressure washer. Everything is built to spec. It utilizes the box here, which allows you to choose between 4 different soaps. Generally, we'll do a step 1, a step 2, and then 2 other soaps. Generally, what we'll put over here would be your bucket and brush soaps. So you'd have your platinum wash and your wax replacement. But you can hook up any flavors of soap you want to any one of these, completely customizable. And what it'll do is it'll actually utilize this ST160 stainless steel injector by Suttner to inject these soaps. Again, we custom build this to work exactly with your washer. A benefit of the way that we do this is that it's all downstream, so none of these chemicals are actually running through your pump, which can degrade your pump life. So yeah, once you chose your soap, it's being injected through the system, then it's going to be coming through your hose. And in this case, again, we've got it geared towards 2-stepping. And we do have a video out there that shows all the different 2-step gun configurations that we offer. This is just the one that we tend to use when we're washing big rigs for a lot of different reasons, which I explained in that video. But the idea is pretty simple. You got 2 nozzles. One's your high pressure rinse, one's your lower pressure soap. And yeah, you basically, you're 2-stepping. You're ready to choose your other soap. You switch between 1 and 2, boom. Now you've got soap right here at the gun. This is what we use for literally all of the 2-stepping side of things. And when you're ready to do your bucket and brush washing, you just switch over to your bucket and brush and the soap that you want. And how we like to put it on is with an ST75 foam head right here. So let's say I'm just going to be foaming on some stuff. Boom, it's ready to foam. Boom, boom, foam. I can take this off, put my rinse barrel right back on, which I don't have handy anymore, and I can just start rinsing. So the idea is speed. You don't have to pull out a bucket. You don't have to mix down your soaps. You don't have to try to figure out or remember what your dilution was, because it's all handled by this. Generally, we have seen people at least cut their wash time in half. We've had a lot of testimonials, talking about time savings, but yeah, either way, if you're interested in upping your wash game, speeding it up, saving money, we got a special business consultant here that would love to talk to you. We sell most of these products in the Touchless Pro line in 55s. We custom build everything to work around your needs and how you have things. But yeah, we would love to work with you. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be subscribed for future notifications on videos. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.